What's good, guys? I'm going to be going over my trades from today and why I had the bias that I had. So, going into the morning, I did like the way we pushed through this 1400 candle with strength on both assets. But the only bearish signature I was getting at this point was this SMT, which is basically when one asset takes the high and the other asset fails to take the high. So, that was kind of making me not like longs, but I was still like bullish until proven otherwise. And then I saw this. We did have a lower time frame SMT, as you can see here. And we did start pushing through these up close candles on ES, which was kind of telling me to short. And I did want to see this 4 hour gap maybe get tapped into. That was my target really. This 4 hour gap. This was my break even point here. And yeah, but let's see. I was really waiting for this candle to get closed below. If not, I wasn't trying to short. So let's see, market open. Market open. Here we go. And once market open, I did want to see this gap get close through. But I did go on the 5 minute. Let's see. Once it closed through on the 5 minute, that gave me all the confirmation that I needed. So from there, I was just zooming into the 1 minute, and I didn't want to wait for the 15-minute candle to close, so I waited till 9:45. Well, 6:45 here in East Coast, West Coast. So there, that was 9:45, the up close candle. So I got in on that, and my target was, like I said, this 4 hour gap down here, and then this was the break even point. So I ended up pushing down. And this is where I flipped bullish because I did not like that reaction. I ended up having my stop somewhere up here because I wanted to give it some space, but it took me right out right there. And from there, that's when I was like, okay, this thing wants higher. We also got this 5 minute change here, as you can see here. And there was also SMT. Let me see if I can spot it real quick. Right here. So if you can see right here. Failed to take that low, same low here. So that just gave me bullish signature. Once we got this 5 minute close, I was like, yeah, this thing wants higher, bro. So here, that's when my target here was previous day high, but that was a little too far. I mean, not too far. It was too close, and like the risk to reward ratio was not worth it on this asset. So I switched to ES and looked for a target on this side. And let's see. Okay, yeah, this is where I wanted to get in this little 1 minute gap, but it never really retraced there. So once it closed above this candle, I said, all right, I'm gonna market enter, and ended up delivering straight to the price. I mean, straight to the target. And yeah, those were really the only trades I took today. Ended up the day green. This is the challenge account, the bottom one. But yeah, let me know if you guys got any questions. And yeah, that's it. Short and sweet.